What exactly will decide your rank for NEET PG 2025 is not whatever preparation you have done so far. It is what you're going to do in last 1 week for NEET PG. Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. RMD, pediatric resident at PGM at Dr. RML Hospital, New Delhi. And this last 1 week is going to decide your fate. So you should be very thorough in what to prepare for this 1 week. Let's discuss about this. So far your preparation, according to my previous videos, was till July 25. So on July 25, you will be giving a GT, and this GT will be your last GT. This GT, preferably NEET PG mock, will tell you regarding your position, but it doesn't decide what rank you're going to get. Okay, many times GT are going to be a false impression regarding your rank. So you don't have to take it, consider it seriously. But one thing which you need to remember is you shouldn't give any more GTs in the last 1 week. So this discussion for the last 1 week of NEET PG 2025 will have two parts. One is how to cover 19 subjects in last 1 week, and second is what are the precautions that you need to take before NEET PG 2025 so that you don't land up in a situation which can compromise your rank. So for July 26 to July 31, so this is the timetable that you need to follow. So I have included everything. I have given a thought regarding this, and I have included almost every topic which is possible. Okay. So for example, subjects are divided into 3 categories. That is big subjects, average subjects, and short subjects. And big subjects you will be giving 6 hours per day, average subject 4 hours per day, and short subjects 2 hours per day. So on July 26, you will be completing surgery, anatomy, ortho, biochem, pediatrics, ENT, that is ear and nose, and throat will be covering up here. Okay. What you can do is you can give 1 hour for ear and 1 hour for nose, and throat will be covering along with opthal. Okay. So rest of the things are the same, except microbiology, instead of 4 hours you will be giving 6 hours, and radio anesthesia will be giving 1 hour. Okay. Rest of the things will be the same. So in these 6 days you will be revising everything. Okay. So this will be basic timetable. A very important thing, you won't be doing custom modules. No custom modules. Okay. You take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this timetable and attach in on your wall. Okay. So if you finish everything within this time period in this given 1 week, then definitely you will be able to complete your syllabus on time, and you will have that confidence within you that yes, I can crack NEET PG. So what are important things that to be considered are how to study. Okay, how to study these big subjects in 6 hours is the biggest question. Okay, so right now you are not in a phase where you will be revising every word to word of NEET PG. It is not at all required. Revising each and every word is not required. What is required is a superficial quick revision. A superficial quick revision. And what is this superficial quick revision? Let's say you are going to study about measles. Your point should be 1, Koplik spot, on which day rash appears, and third, what are the associated conditions, like vitamin E deficiency can be associated, what type of rash it is. Okay, and what are the differential diagnosis, like measles rash, it can also be mistaken for Kawasaki disease, etc. Okay, 2 or 3 very important highlighted points in your notes or whatever notes you have prepared, only those are what is required. Okay, so this weightage based time division, what is weightage based time division, I'll tell you in the next slide. Okay, so this will definitely tell you which important topics will come and which high priority revision will help you in this last 1 week. Okay, so 5.5 hours of revision of revised notes, and give 30 minutes for pearls and treasure, because you will also have booked some pearls and treasures or important tables. So 30 minutes will be giving for this. Very important, don't waste much time in this revision. It is not in-depth revision, it is just a superficial quick revision. Okay, you can use Pomodoro technique for this. So whenever you're going through any subject, follow this priority list. For example, whenever you're going through ortho, first go through upper limb injuries, then go through basics or infection or tumors. Okay, last will be going to lower limb injuries and sport, because that is the least important. Similarly in patho, first you'll be completing quick revision of general pathology, hemat, onco. Last will be going to JIT and CNS, because these are least priority. Even if you leave those topics, doesn't matter much, but much of the questions are asked from top 2 or 3 points. Okay, so that's why go in this order. It will make sure that you won't be leaving any important topics right up front, and it won't affect your NEET PG preparation at the outset. Okay, so take a screenshot of this also. Okay, so take a screenshot of this. These are the important topics from anatomy, physiology, and this is from anesthesia, this is from radiology. Okay, so these are only the important points that you need to go through in this last 1 week, and these are the ones from which maximum questions are also expected. So this is FMT, psychiatry. Okay, and this is for medicine. Only these are the topics that you need to go through in this last 1 week, and those important pearls whichever you have bookmarked so far. Okay, these are the only 2 things that you need to go. Now, what are the important things? Last minute steps or last minute precaution that you need to do. Exam center reach 1 day prior. That's why your revision finishes on July 31. August 1st by midnight, you should be at your exam center. Okay. So avoid motion sickness. Again, a very common query. Avoid insomnia, avoid motion sickness. Don't give any GT after 25th of July. Keep admit card ID proof ready because all these are required. Don't make any compromise in this admit card and all. Okay. And what to do exactly on August 1st and August 2nd, that is where comes this NEET PG checklist. So what is NEET PG checklist? NEET PG checklist is a set of things that you need to remember so that you don't lose any rank or make any silly mistakes in the exam. So it is a set of topics that are there, okay, subject wise. So you can see here, so NEET PG checklist has some important, it's an 84-page document which is very easy to finish. So in this last 2 days, we'll be just going through this important high yield topics, 1-word topics. Okay, these are specifically buzzwords, so that in last 48 hours you don't miss anything important and don't compromise on your rank. Okay, so to get this NEET PG checklist, I have given the link below. Click on that link. Okay. Also, for those people who want to go through important QBank modules and important tables or pearls or treasures, okay, so that you don't want to miss high yield topic at last. Okay, these are only the names of the important QBank modules or important pearls or treasures from any coaching platform. So I have made a list of those important things that can give you extra marks. So if you want to go through this PDF, that also link is given. So these both are different PDFs. One PDF contains only the checklist, which has all important information that you shouldn't forget and not commit any silly mistakes in the last 48 hours. And this NEET PG, QBank and important tables are the ones that will give you extra marks in the last moment. Okay. So the important thing is, you have been preparing for this exam since last 1.5 years. So it is very important that you identify that you identify the gravity of the situation. So don't be distracted. Burnout is a common problem. If you have attended my mentorship sessions, you would have realized how I focus on these issues. Okay. So this is also going to be perhaps one of the last videos, my last videos for NEET PG 2025. So the whole point of starting this NEET PG series was to help students, because I realized that there are many problems which NEET PG aspirants face, and in this world full of coaching app platforms and resource full world, it is very difficult to choose the correct resources and deal with mental health issues because of ineffective ineffective exam conducting agencies. Okay, so I realized that this was not all this was just to help students. Okay, so when you create a difference in someone's life, you not only impact their life, you impact everyone influenced by them and everyone throughout their lifetime. So no act is ever too small. One by one, this is how to make an ocean rise. So this has been the cornerstone of my YouTube channel also. This was like to help students. Okay, so by helping students, I'll be happy that I have created an impact. So this impact not only comes now just after exam, it also comes after when you get a seat. When someone texts me telling that, sir, I followed your strategies and I got a rank and now I have got this seat, so I feel so happy and people will be so thankful. Okay, so this was the whole point behind this. What I felt was rather than telling you how to prepare, the most of my guidance sessions were regarding what not to do, because if you do things which you are not supposed to do, like if you go on the wrong track, then you are definitely out of the game. So all the best. This is going to be my last video for NEET PG 2025. There won't be any further videos. So you take confidence. You should have confidence in yourself. You know my methods. If you have watched all my videos, you know how I have been stressing on the strategies and methods so far. So you know everything. You just need someone to tell you that yes, you can do it. So all the best, and yes, all the best for your future. So we'll be meeting once again after NEET PG exam with the harsh truth which I have not exposed to anyone so far. Thank you.